Searching for Hostinger for beginners, you're probably about to launch your first website. And the biggest mistake beginners make isn't choosing the wrong design. It's choosing a platform that's too complicated. Because when you're starting out, you don't want to spend hours learning servers, hosting settings, security configurations, or technical jargon. You just want your website online. That's one of the main reasons Hostinger has become popular with beginners. The platform is designed to make things simple. You can register a domain, install WordPress, create a business email, activate SSL security, and launch a website from a single dashboard. No coding required. No advanced technical knowledge needed. And if you're building a blog, affiliate website, portfolio, freelance business, local business website, or even a small online store, that's usually all you need. Another thing beginners often overlook is support. At some point, everyone gets stuck. Maybe it's connecting a domain. Maybe it's installing WordPress. Maybe it's setting up email. Having access to support and step-by-step resources can save a lot of frustration. What I also like is that Hostinger gives beginners room to grow. You can start with a simple website today and expand later without moving to a completely different platform. That's important because most successful websites evolve over time. So if you're completely new to hosting, website building, or WordPress, Hostinger is one of the easier places to start because it focuses on simplicity without limiting your future options. So before searching for Hostinger for beginners, check the current offer link below and see whether it gives you the tools you need to launch your first website. And if you enjoy finding beginner-friendly website tools, hosting reviews, software deals, WordPress resources, and online business tips, subscribe to the channel. We regularly share practical guides and verified deals to help you get started faster.